video. My name is Arlene from This Is Our House, and today we're going to try teckwrapcraft texture vinyl. This is the first time I'm going to use their textured vinyl. I have had these rolls for a couple of months now and I haven't used them, so let's do it together. Why not?
I have a gold and a rose gold. I am going to be using the rose gold for this specific design. I really love how it looks. Here, take a look to the texture of the vinyl. I really like it. And let's see how our Cricut maker cut through this vinyl. I am also going to be using teckwrapcraft bookmarks. These bookmarks, you can find them on teckwrapcraft.com. They have these. They also have the glitter ones, and I am obsessed. I love them all. And for this specific design, we're going to be using this one, but this is how they look. They come in a package of 5. You will receive 5 clear bookmarks, and if you order the glitter ones, you will receive also 5 of them in a small package. Make sure to remove the protective film they have before you start working on any project. Now let's get to work on this design. I'm going to write the name of the person, and I am going to send it to my Cricut maker to cut. I'm going to use these flowers, and then I am going to apply epoxy to seal it. And once I finish cutting the name, I'm going to put the name on the bookmark. In this video, I used teckwrapcraft transfer tape, and something I have noticed about their transfer tape, it's before maybe a year ago when I used it, it was very hard to peel, but now it's different and it's easier to work with. We are getting close to the end result, and I love it. That texture of the vinyl, it gives, I don't know, it gives something extra to this bookmark. I hope this person likes it. And yeah, this is it. I hope you like this video. Remember, my name is Arlene from This Is Our House. You can find everything you saw during this video on teckwrapcraft.com. Remember, teckwrapcraft.com. I hope you have a great day. I almost forgot. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done it yet. And give us a thumbs up if you want to save this video for future reference. You can do it now. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.